Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials, Android version and available storage, because low space or outdated OS often causes crashes. Next, force stop the app and clear its cache. This removes temporary files without losing your account data. Once done, restart your phone to flush background services. That simple reboot often resolves session drops. If the app still logs you out, proceed to the next steps where we dig into permissions, background limits, and account sync settings. Now focus on how Android controls apps. Ensure the app has necessary permissions like background activity and storage so it can maintain session tokens. Then, disable aggressive battery optimization or adaptive battery for that app. Android can kill processes to save power, and that kicks you out. Also open account or sync settings and re-authenticate if needed, since expired tokens cause logouts. Once these are adjusted, test the app long enough to confirm sessions, persist across sleep and network changes. Finish with stronger measures. Update the app in Google Play services or uninstall and reinstall to rebuild its storage and permissions. If problems persist, clear app data as a last resort. Note this erases local settings. Also look for conflicting apps like aggressive cleaners, VPN, or enterprise profiles that revoke sessions. If nothing helps, collect system info, app version, and steps to reproduce. Contact support or capture logs. One key tip: try a safe test on another device to isolate device-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.